the 10th chapter of English 1, Jagatu the Gardener. This is the story which is adapted from the folk tale well known as over many countries, and the lesson is about an elephant, so Araivata, and the gardener who saw it and by catching its tail went to the heaven. The story is just for fun. It is like just imaginative and fictional. So let's see what is there in the story. So once upon a time there was a gardener called Jagatu. So he was employed in the king's garden. So he used to work in king's garden. He was a worker there. He used to take care of all the things there, especially the garden. So it was a very beautiful garden because he spent a whole day in the garden, and only he used to go at night. So there's a lot of hard work he used to do there to keep the garden very clean and look beautiful. So one night it was very late, so he remained in the garden in that night because it was late to go home. So suddenly he heard a voice coming from somewhere. So Jagatu he hid himself behind a big tree in a great fear. So he saw a large elephant descending from the sky. It was roaming about in the garden. So as he was uh, sleeping, then he sounded some sound came. Then he just wake up and when he hid and he was watching from behind the tree. Then he saw the elephant is coming down, descending is coming down from the sky, a big elephant. So it was like a decorated thing. It was all the malas and all. It was put in that. It was like a different elephant, very decorated animal. So it was roaming about in the garden. So after a while, Jagatu felt his hiding place and sat down. So after a while, Jagatu left his hiding place and sat down on the edge of the tank. So where it was the top of the tank, he sat and he was watching the elephant. It was roaming all around. So as he sat there, he said to himself, "In my whole life, I have never seen such an enormous elephant." So he is seeing this elephant for the first time because it has come from the above, from the heaven. So we can imagine how the above things, the heavenly things would be. All the animals will be a shiny thing, very different, right, from the earth elephant. So, but I remember about a heavenly elephant called Araivata. So he is telling that he is now remembering one elephant. He has heard this about the elephant of Araivata, which is from their grandparents or from somewhere. He has heard about this that sometimes this elephant is visible to some people. So no doubt this is it. So he said, I have no doubt, and I think this is it. I have seen because it has a very rare case we can find out these elephants. So he got up and began to walk quietly after the elephant. Then it ate various fruits and roots that grew in the garden. So he is just going and quietly looking behind the elephant, and it was eating all the fruits and whatever was there in the garden and the roots and all. So Jagatu caught its long tail. So elephants have a tail, right? So Jagatu hidingly he caught from the behind the elephant's tail. So when it was about to ascend to the sky again, so when he was going to leave the earth again and go to heaven, up in the heaven and up in the sky, so he caught the elephant's tail. So when he arrived there in heaven, Jagatu left the elephant's tail. Then Araivata departed from Indra's palace. So Araivata departed from Indra's palace, and Jagatu began to roam about in the heaven. So everything he is seeing there, he is very amazed because he has reached heaven and it's wonderful there. Everything was very surprising for him because it's very different from the earth. So everything was of such a huge size that the sight filled him with amazement. So he got some betel leaves and pan patta. So he got a lot of pan pattas from there, betel leaves, and some betel nuts, supari. So he got a lot of he brought that thing. So both the betel leaves and betel nuts were very big in size. And he wanted to take it down. So next night, Araivata went down to the garden with Jagatu hanging on its tail. So every evening, or maybe not rarely, this Araivata, the elephant, used to descend, means used to come down. Okay. Then in that moment, at night, he caught again the elephant's tail and came down. So as soon as they got there, Jagatu let go the tail and hurried back home. So after, because he was very surprised and he was very amazed for that thing that what he got, the betel tail, the betel leaves and the betel nuts. So he wanted to show to her wife and to other people there because it was very different. So his wife was looking for him. As soon as he saw him coming, he ran to meet him and cried, "Who, her wife, where have you been?" Because the whole night he didn't come back home, and she was searching for him, and he was worried, and that's why she ran and came and cried there and told him, where have you been? So Jagato, without saying a words, brought out the big betel leaves and betel nuts, so that her wife also will be surprised and will be very happy to see that. So at the sight of them, his wife was filled with joy as soon as she saw the betel leaves and nuts. She was just surprised and she's happy there. So where did you get this? So she exclaimed. Who? Her wife told his husband that where have you find this? Where did you get this? Jagatu then told his wife all about his adventures. So what did he tell? He told that he went up in the heaven there with the elephant, catching the elephant's tail, whose name is Araivata. So after reaching there, I saw a lot of different things. I was wonderfully amazed. Then I brought this big betel leaves and nuts to show you. So he also told her not to tell anybody. So, but she told the whole story to all her friends, and soon everybody in the village knew about it. So most of the time, these women are not they don't keep the words inside them. They use, if we tell some secrets, mainly rare it happens like that. So they will just spread everywhere that thing. So the villagers asked Jagatu to take them also to heaven. So they also were very surprisingly they're coming there and telling that we also wanted to go. Please take us to heaven. So that night when the elephant was about to depart, means he just want when he was going to depart to the heaven, Jagatu quickly got behind him and caught his tail. So then they all held one another in turn. One on their way, a friend of Jagadu's wife asked her, "How big was the betel nut that your husband brought home?" So the last person who was catching the other people, means they were catching one by one down below their each other, holding each other. So one asked her wife that how big was the betel nut your husband had brought to her wife, to Jagatu's wife. His wife repeated the question to Jagatu again because Jagatu was at the top. In the top, he was the first person to hold the elephant's tail. So Jagatu said that he would answer that later, but she insisted. Her wife insisted to tell that he told that please don't ask anything. I will tell you later how big was that elephants. Sorry, the betel and nuts. So this in this way they were holding each other. You can see in this way they were holding each other, and one of them asked, then he passed the words to his husband. So Jagatu lost patience and spread his hand, said, "This big." So here you can see he's telling that this big means this much. This big was the betel nut. So after spreading the arms and leaving the what is that elephant's tail, they suddenly lost the grip on the elephant's tail, and in the moment they all came tumbling down. He left his hand, Jagatu left his hand and spread and told that this big. So after telling that, whole of the people who were holding each other, so suddenly everybody fell down one by one because they lost the grip. And this was a very short and fun story. So this also gives us a very moral story, and it tells about the greediness. If you have a little thing, then you should be happy or satisfied with that thing. So if you are more greedy or wanting, you are not satisfied with the things that you got from the some means luckily, then you should be happy with that, not or wanted to one more and more things, then you'll lose that also.